Welcome to Be Mindset. I am so excited that you are here on this journey. Thank you for investing in yourself, and thank you for allowing us coaches to come along on your journey with you. I have seen some amazing transformation from both coaches and everyday people that have been following the To Be Mindset program for over a month now since it's launched. So I am super optimistic about what kind of results you're going to have that we're all going to see on this program. So excited to start. I am kind of nerdy. I get very nervous when I make these videos. So I do have some notes pasted up behind this camera. So if you see me glancing up, I'm just making sure that I'm covering everything that I should. First of all, I want to remind you or tell you that this group is your support system. It's like your safety net. So please use it. We're all a bunch of like-minded people that want to better our health. So share yourself. We coaches will have a motivational post up daily, 6 days a week. We usually get it up by about 6 a.m. So my recommendation is to check in twice a day in this group. Once in the morning as you're getting ready for work or before your day starts to kind of get your dose of encouragement and inspiration for the day. And then once in the evening to let the group and us coaches know how your day went. Did you struggle? Did you have some great success? Did you overcome some kind of past bad habit to move forward on your healthy journey? And also engage with the group. This is your support group here. So see what other people are doing and cheer them on and support them and encourage them and get to know them. That's how this community is going to get strong, is we create friendships. So we're going to post 6 days a week, but really use Saturday and Sunday to catch up on any videos that you might have missed over the week. If your week got busy and you fell a little bit behind, Saturday and Sunday is a great day to, there are still videos for those days, but play a little catch up. Speaking of that, remember that this group is self-guided. So it's really meant for you to go at your own speed. Now that doesn't mean missing weeks at a time, and your coaches are going to be watching and will call you out if we don't see you. However, if you've had a busy couple of days and you missed a few posts, don't beat yourself up. Don't get frustrated. Don't throw in the towel. We get it. It's summer. Even when it's not summer, you get some busy days. Just get back on. Schedule some time when you're able to catch up and get up to speed. Reversely, if you start watching videos and reading posts and get super fired up and have some extra time and want to watch 10 videos in a row and jump ahead, awesome, you go, girl. We support that too. So go at your own speed and don't beat yourself up if you're not where everybody else is. Okay, a few tools to remind you of. You probably already got your water bottle from the To Be Mindset program. This is a great tool because it holds a lot of freaking water. But if you have a different water bottle that you like, use that. You've got your Getting Started guide you can read over. You've got your recipe guide. Awesome tool. But what I want to really talk about is your tracker. This thing is awesome. And can also double as your journal throughout this journey. If you go to page 5, I want you to open your book up if you haven't already and fill this information out. Do not skip this part. Take your measurements and take your before pictures. Before pictures should be from the front and the side for sure. And if you want to do a back one, that's awesome too. This is where you're starting. So it is how you will measure progress. And you don't want to miss out on documenting your physical transformation. And I get it. I know that pictures are awkward and vulnerable, but bite the bullet. Throw on some spandex and a sports bra and just get those pictures done. You can also put a swimsuit on if you're that bold. Okay, speaking of transformations, Team Beachbody gives anybody who completes one of their programs the opportunity to win free swag, earn free swag. Usually it's a t-shirt. I've got a few myself. It's very fun to get a free gift in the mail. What you do is at the end of your program, when it's all said and done, you go to beachbodychallenge.com. You will be asked to submit your photos, your before pictures and your after pictures, and fill out some information about your journey. They'll ask you questions. It doesn't take a lot of time, maybe 10, 15 minutes, I think, if I remember right. You'll automatically win or earn something, and then you will also be entered to win cash prizes. And those can range from a couple $100 to, I forget what the grand prize is, but it's pretty freaking incredible. I want to say like $25,000 or something. I don't remember, but you can find out more information at beachbodychallenge.com. And just a little plug for us coaches, it does make us look good company-wide the more people we have that submit their before and after and enter the contest. So number 2, download the To Be Mindset Nutrition app. It is called Beachbody Nutrition Plus with a plus sign. If you haven't already, get that downloaded. It is awesome. It has the To Be Mindset recipes right there at your fingertips. It also has all the To Be Mindset videos. So if you're not always able to watch them on your laptop, it's very easy to listen to them in the car, listen to them as you're walking the dog. Very handy to have them right there. So you find opportunities to watch them or listen to them. I was excited also to see that you have access to Beachbody's cooking show program, which is called Fixate. That gives you access to so many other healthy recipes that are super delicious. So check that out. And then, of course, you have your tracker that's right there for you to track intake and your meals and all kinds of information. And then you can track your progress right on your phone. Also, if you haven't already, and if you don't already own one, buy a scale. This is very different than what we've always preached, but this program, the To Be Mindset program, uses the scale as a tool of measurement, and it follows the principle you are either losing or you're learning. Because as you are tracking your journey and as you are weighing yourself, so for a few days, you notice you're losing half pound, a pound, whatever. Day 4 comes and all of a sudden you step on the scale and you're up a pound, a half pound. You can immediately determine why you are gaining weight by going back to your tracker and seeing what you ate, how much you drank, how was your sleep, all of those things, so that you can learn from it and either be reassured or you can then adjust today to get back onto the losing end of the scale. So every morning, get up, take your weight, and mark it down. It's very much like a blood pressure cuff and just a way to measure and stay on top of one aspect of your health. All right, now I'm going to attempt to screen share my screen and show you the technical side of the Facebook page, To Be Mindset, so that you can see how to navigate, where to find posts, where to find information. All right, let's find it. All right, here it is. Here's my To Be Free, Master Your Nutrition with Your Mindset group page. When you come to the page, it's gonna prompt the discussion portion of the page. So right here is where you're gonna find, our daily post, the one that's gonna be up by 6 a.m. and give you kind of, if we have a task of the day or just your encouragement for the day, that's where you're gonna find it. For your homework for the day, you're gonna go to units right here. Click on units and you'll see that information is grouped by week and then by day. So you would start, for instance, prep week post number 1 is going to be Monday. You'll read through this post. It's very long since it's day 1. You'll watch Alana's intro video. Don't press on these because you'll go somewhere else. Click on her face or the picture. And I believe I'm an admin, so I see something different. On yours, I believe there's a button that you click when you're done, so that we can keep track of where you're at just as much as you can keep track. Now, some of them, let's go to prep week post number 6. Some of them are going to reference videos found in your To Be Mindset nutrition program. For instance, this one says, if you haven't yet, make sure you've watched video number 3 of your To Be Mindset program, which is called A New Way to Look at Food Groups, Veggies. Then you would go to your program on Beachbody On Demand, To Be Mindset, videos, and you would go to video number 1, A New Way to Look at Food Groups, Veggies. Make sure you watch that. Here's the resources that you can download. You can either print these out or just reference them. They're really kind of cool. Your food lists, also very cool. You can take that to the grocery store. So that's how that works. At the end of most weeks, if there are videos involved, there is a summary so that you know that you're on track. It will just tell you which videos you should have completed and for that week. When you are in these units, if there are questions within the post, feel free to share. You know, if there's questions and you want to publicly answer them and share them with the group, that's great. Some of them specifically say homework. Let's see. This one has homework. So it tells you something to do. You just comment below and no picture. And then we can all kind of see where we're all at on this journey. In our post as well, we may ask you to post something there. So watch for those daily little bits of homework. All right, let's go back to this. And I don't know why not. Oh, here. There. Okay, there I am. All right, so that's the skinny on To Be Mindset. Your task that I am going to ask you to do is comment below. I would like everybody to introduce themselves. I would really like it if you put up a selfie, some kind of picture of yourself, because it helps us. It helps us when we can see a face, put a face to a name. And then just tell us as much as you want about yourself. If you want to tell us your goals or what got you here, what you hope to get out of this program, please do. If you just want to tell us who you are, where you live, if you have a family or not, that's great too. We want to get to know you as much as I hope you want to get to know the rest of the people in this group. So have an awesome day. I look forward to virtually meeting all of you by Monday and starting this bright and early Monday. See ya.